Hi and welcome to this video on 5 platforms for investing in real estate. In this video, we will be taking a look at Fundrise, ROOFSTOCK, Realty Mogul, Diversity Fund, and Peer Street. We will go over the pros and cons of each platform so you can decide which one might be the right one for you. First off, we have Fundrise. This platform allows you to invest in a diversified portfolio of real estate assets, including residential, commercial, and mixed-use properties. One of the pros of Fundrise is that it offers a wide range of investment options, so you can choose the one that best fits your risk tolerance and investment goal. Another pro is that it has a low minimum investment of just $500, making it accessible to a wider range of investors. On the con side, Fundrise is a newer platform, so it may not have the same level of track record as some of the other platforms, some of the other options on this list. Next, we have ROOFSTOCK. This platform allows you to invest in single-family rental properties that are already tenant-occupied. One of the pros of ROOFSTOCK is that it offers a level of expertise and support throughout the investment process, which can be helpful for those who are new to real estate investing. Another pro is that it allows you to invest in properties that are already generating income, which can provide a steady stream of cash flow. On the con side, ROOFSTOCK only allows you to invest in single-family rental properties, so it may not be as diversified. It may not be as diverse as some of the other platforms on this list. Number 3, we have Realty Mogul. Realty Mogul is another platform that allows you to invest in a variety of real estate asset classes, including multifamily, retail, and office properties. One of the pros of Realty Mogul is that it offers a range of investment options, including individual properties and curated investment opportunities. Another pro is that it has a relatively low minimum investment of $1,000, making it accessible to a wider range of investors. On the con side, Realty Mogul has faced some legal issues in the past, so it's important to do your own research and due diligence before investing. Diversity Fund is a platform that offers a variety of real estate investment options, including a crowdfunding platform for commercial real estate projects and a REIT. One of the pros of Diversity Fund is that it has a low minimum investment of just $500, making it accessible to a wider range of investors. Another pro is that it offers a range of investment options, so you can choose the one that best fits your risk tolerance and investment goals. On the con side, Diversity Fund is a newer platform, so it may not have the same level of track record as some of the other options on this list. Finally, we have Peer Street. This platform allows you to invest in short-term, high-yield real estate loans, with terms ranging from 6 to 36 months. One of the pros of Peer Street is that it offers a high level of diversification, as you can invest in multiple loans to spread your risk. Another pro is that it has a relatively low minimum investment of $1,000, making it accessible to a wider range of investors. On the con side, Peer Street only allows you to invest in short-term loans, so it may not be as suitable for long-term investors. That's it, guys, for our overview of 5 platforms for investing in real estate. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you an idea in the pros and cons of each platform. Remember, it is important to do your own research and due diligence before investing and to understand the risk and potential returns involved. Thank you.